My family's been in the trucking since 1929. I'm the fourth generation. We started out in North Chicago, worked our way up this way. All local freight, dry van, refrigerated a little bit. Cleaning products, food supplies, pretty much what everybody needs every day. You know, I've been involved my whole life. I started here when I was 6 years old, sweeping the floors. My dad, my grandpa, my uncle, my aunt. My dad got sick in 2015, and at that point I kind of took over some things. And in 2019 he passed away, so I'm the only family member left. It's been difficult, but we've made it work. We put a lot of good people in place that have helped. I wish I had the help now for my dad when he was around, but I'm proud to keep doing it. I enjoy providing a good job for people, and we have 160 drivers and 205 employees total.
Just love it. I always wanted to do it when I was young, and my dad did it, and I'm doing it, and now my son works here too now, so it's got a third generation. It's great to be part of the community, part of just the country in general, just getting freight moved, and you know, it's just, you're part of something that's bigger than yourself.
And I don't think people realize how important trucking was until COVID hit. You know, the world would have stopped if truckers wouldn't have delivered product, and that's where I really think there's been a change. And I even think for the drivers, they finally get that appreciation that they deserve for many years. And it makes us proud to say we're truckers. Our goal is to keep doing what we're doing. We've had a goal of not getting bigger, just getting better. We're close to getting all Mack. That's one goal of mine, is to have the fleet 100% Mack. For me, putting nice trucks out there, put some graphics on it, get the colors right, it catches the driver's eyes, catches the customer's eyes, catches just regular people's eyes to get a better impression of trucking in general. And we haven't had a driver's ad out for local drivers in probably 1.5, 2 years, and they see the trucks, they come in, and I believe personally it's due to the way the trucks look. A nice Mack with the right decals, and looks pretty sharp.
The ergonomics of it are great. I'm very comfortable in here. This is the first automatic I've ever driven. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I like it. They come a long way. These transmissions are good.
So Kriete for us has been huge. For me personally, and right about the passing of my dad was kind of when we're starting to change things over and put a lot of eggs in that basket and get Mack in our fleet. And they helped me, they helped the business, and it's an easy partnership.
The relationship we have with Kriete is so important because they give us the background for updates to equipment, computer updates, analytics, those things that we need to do to really be more efficient. But we really look for family. People that look at us the way we look at them. They understand our business, we understand theirs.
We're providing good service for our customers, and we're providing a good job, and that's really all we want to do. We don't need to be the largest company around, I want to be the best company around. I wish my dad was here now to see where we took the business to in a short amount of time. I mean, it's grown and got better pretty quick. If he was here, he'd be pretty happy with it.